Hello friends and welcome to a new video on NailPossible. In this tutorial we're going to make this super quick negative space snowflake design. We're going to start with the base coat. And we're going to apply a light blue polish to half of our nail in kind of a wave. I'm using a thin brush because I feel like I have more control this way, but you can just use the nail polish brush if you want. If you need to, you can add a second coat and clean up wherever necessary. Now we're going to add a quick dry top coat so everything's ready for stamping. I'm going to use a plate with different kinds and sizes of snowflakes, and we're gonna pick some up with white nail polish. We remove the snowflakes we don't want from the stamper with some tape, and we stamp on the line. You can change it up by placing them towards either side or adding 2 or more snowflakes. Now we're going to add a holographic glitter to the snowflakes so they look like they're shimmering using a thin brush. Remember not to drag the brush because you can smear your design. Instead, just tap lightly. We add more top coat to seal everything. And that's it for this design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and remember you can give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!